So guys, ito na siya.
Salamat.
Naka-antay natin. I-unbox natin later sa bahay. Yun, unbox na natin. Yung aking iPhone 12 Pro Max. Tapos mamaya, check natin sa bahay. Pakita mo naman ako. Oh, ayan. Oh. Ipakita mo ulit. Ayan. Tapos nahulog mo. Yan na lang. Iganyan mo na lang. Yan, ganyan mo na lang. Mamadali siya, diba? Nahulog.
Matibay naman na yung parts kasi gawa siya sa
Wow. Ay, bubuksan ka na?
ayun yung parts na gawa na sa ceramic shield. Kaya madalas na biniview sa mga internet na ang mga 12, dinadrop test nila. Kasi madali.
Galing naman. Ito na siya. Oh, malapit. Hello. Hello daw.
Welcome to iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. This is Miss T Sai, your guide to good vibes. And I will show you the highlights of this iPhone 12 Pro Max and its features. So come on, let's go. This is the Pacific Blue variant and with the capacity of 128 gigabytes. Where can help you stop worrying about sudden full memory of your iPhone, the biggest iPhone that Apple has ever made. It has 6.7-inch all-screen OLED display with Pacific Blue ceramic shield front, textured matte glass back and stainless steel design. And just like the other iPhone 12 models, it has a solid ceramic shield glass protecting the display for scratch and shutter resistant. The camera is big, so we have bigger image sensor on the back. iPhone 12 Pro Max are waterproof. No need to worry if you take your iPhone 12 to the swimming pool with you or on the beach. The sand won't get into it, thanks to the 6 particulate rating and can survive water up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. So cool. It has Pro 12MP camera system, the ultra-wide, and telephoto cameras. Its digital zoom up to 12 times. Night mode portraits enabled by LiDAR scanner. Its sensor shift image stabilization is amazing, meaning that the camera's sensor actually moves inside of the camera to offset any movement. Night mode portraits in this iPhone is one of the highlights. In these 3 cameras, pictures are going to look excellent on this iPhone 12 Pro Max. That's a big wow, amazing. The inclusions inside the box is the iPhone with iOS 14, USB cord to lightning cable, without the adapter. Separate payment for the charger adapter 20 watts for only 1,190 pesos. The iPhone charging time is evolving approximately into 1 hour and 30 minutes only. A SIM card ejection tool and some iPhone documentation pamphlets. One thing more, included one cute Apple logo sticker. So you can use it, depends on your creativity. Let's compare iPhone 11 Pro Max and iPhone 12 Pro Max and see the difference. iPhone 11 Pro Max began September 2019. Same as iPhone 12 Pro Max, it also have 3-lens rear camera system. As you can see, iPhone 12 Pro Max triple lens camera system are more bigger than 11 Pro Max. Even the size and weight, iPhone 12 Pro Max is bigger. iPhone 12 Pro Max can shoot in Dolby Vision HDR videos for up to 4K 60 FPS. Now on the battery life, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is powered by 3687 mAh battery, the largest capacity among this year's iPhones. One amazing advantage of this iPhone, it has dual optical image stabilization. This is the first time it's been adapted for iPhone. So that's all, folks. In the next vlog we will do the actual features of this iPhone 12 Pro Max and find out the surprising experience. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Oh, by the way, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on the next vlogs. Thank you guys. Let's create good vibes together.
Now from the top, 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 top. Yeah, you with some wet. Now from the top, 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 top. That's some wet, 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 wet.